Did you know that indoor plants can do more than just beautify your space? They can heal it. Scientific research shows that certain plants purify the air, remove toxins, reduce stress, improve focus, and even promote faster recovery from illness. Some of these green companions have been used for centuries in healing traditions, while others have been NASA-approved for air detoxification. In this video, we're revealing 10 powerful indoor plants that don't just decorate your home, they transform it into a sanctuary of health and wellness. From stress-relieving wonders to sleep-enhancing superheroes, these plants are more than just greenery, they're your wellness warriors. Let's get started. Aloe vera, the ultimate healing plant. Aloe vera is a powerful healing plant known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. It is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and enzymes that help heal burns, speed up wound recovery, and deeply hydrate the skin. Beyond skin care, aloe vera also detoxifies indoor air by absorbing harmful chemicals like benzene and formaldehyde, which are commonly found in household products. It is an excellent plant for improving air quality while also serving as a natural remedy for minor cuts and burns. To keep aloe vera healthy, place it in bright, indirect sunlight. Water it sparingly, allowing the soil to completely dry out between watering. Be sure to use a well-draining pot to prevent root rot and ensure long-lasting growth. Lavender, the sleep and stress reliever. Lavender is one of the best plants for relaxation and promoting better sleep. Studies show that inhaling lavender can lower cortisol levels, reduce stress, and improve sleep quality. Its calming scent is often used in aromatherapy, essential oils, and sleep aids to help people unwind and combat insomnia. Lavender not only relieves stress and anxiety, but it also has a powerful effect on improving mood and helping you relax after a long day. To keep your lavender plant healthy, place it in bright, direct sunlight. Water it only when the top inch of soil is dry to avoid overwatering. For maximum relaxation benefits, consider placing it near your bed to enjoy its soothing fragrance throughout the night. Snake plant, the best natural air purifier. The snake plant is NASA-approved for air purification. It is one of the few plants that release oxygen at night, making it ideal for improving sleep quality. This plant is also excellent at removing harmful toxins such as formaldehyde, benzene, and carbon monoxide, which are commonly found in furniture, cleaning products, and other household items. By improving air quality, it helps create a healthier indoor environment. To care for your snake plant, place it in low to bright light and water it only once every 2 to 3 weeks. It's an extremely low-maintenance plant that is hard to kill, making it perfect for beginners or anyone looking for a hassle-free addition to their home. Peppermint, the natural energy booster. Peppermint is a refreshing plant that enhances focus, boosts energy, and aids in digestion. Studies show that inhaling peppermint aroma can improve memory and alertness while also helping to reduce headaches and fatigue. Drinking peppermint tea is another excellent way to help soothe indigestion and nausea. It's a versatile plant that not only refreshes the mind but also supports physical health. To care for your peppermint plant, place it in bright, indirect sunlight and water it when the soil is slightly moist. Be sure to trim the leaves often to encourage fresh, fragrant growth, ensuring your plant stays healthy and aromatic. Peace lily, the humidity booster and toxin remover. The peace lily is a stunning plant that acts as a natural humidifier, making it perfect for people with dry skin, sinus congestion, or respiratory issues. It is also one of the best air purifying plants, removing harmful chemicals like benzene, ammonia, and formaldehyde from the air. By increasing humidity levels, it helps reduce allergens and creates a healthier indoor environment. To care for your peace lily, place it in low to medium light and water it when the soil starts to dry out. Be cautious, peace lilies are toxic to pets if ingested, so keep them out of reach. Chamomile, the sleep and digestion booster. Chamomile is a gentle, healing plant that helps reduce stress, improve sleep, and support digestion. Drinking chamomile tea before bed relaxes the nervous system and enhances sleep quality. Chamomile is also known for its anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits, making it ideal for calming an upset stomach. To care for chamomile, place it in full sun or bright indoor light and water it when the soil is dry to the touch. Harvest the flowers and brew your own calming chamomile tea for a natural remedy. Rosemary, the memory and brain booster. Rosemary is a powerful herb that has been scientifically proven to improve memory and concentration. Studies show that inhaling rosemary scent can enhance cognitive performance and reduce mental fatigue. It's also packed with antioxidants that protect brain cells from damage, supporting overall brain health. For optimal care, place your rosemary in direct sunlight for at least 6 hours a day. Water it only when the soil is completely dry and prune it regularly to encourage fresh, fragrant growth. Jasmine, the ultimate mood enhancer. Jasmine has a delicate floral fragrance that naturally reduces anxiety and stress. Its scent has been shown to lower heart rate and promote a sense of calm, making it great for relaxation and mental well-being. Jasmine is also used in aromatherapy for its sleep-enhancing properties. To care for your jasmine, place it in bright, indirect sunlight and water it regularly, but allow the soil to dry slightly between watering. It thrives in a humid environment, so consider placing it in a bathroom or other moist area. Golden Pothose, the Low-Maintenance Detoxifier. Golden Pothose is one of the easiest houseplants to care for, yet it's a powerful air purifier. It removes toxins like formaldehyde and carbon monoxide, improving indoor air quality. This plant is also known to reduce stress and create a calming environment. To care for golden pothose, place it in low to bright light and water it when the soil is dry to the touch. It's extremely adaptable and can even grow in water, making it an excellent option for low-maintenance plant lovers. Spider plant, the best oxygen booster. The spider plant is one of the best plants for increasing oxygen levels indoors. It is also safe for pets and removes harmful toxins from the air, making your home cleaner and healthier. To care for your spider plant, place it in indirect sunlight and water it weekly, but avoid overwatering. It produces baby plants that can easily be propagated, allowing you to grow more plants and share them with others. And that's it. 10 incredible indoor plants that can detoxify your air, promote better sleep, reduce stress, and enhance your well-being. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more natural wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.